The LG S95TR soundbar, a 9.1.5 channel system, represents LG's flagship offering for immersive home theater sound, specifically designed to complement the experience of LG OLED TVs. In this video, we'll explore its features, audio performance, strengths, and weaknesses, providing a detailed insight into the value it brings to home entertainment enthusiasts. The LG S95TR adopts an elegant and modern design, with sleek lines and rounded corners, making it appear more refined than some of its competitors. The system consists of a main soundbar, a wireless subwoofer, and two wireless surround speakers. While the aesthetics are pleasing, the soundbar lacks a dedicated screen, relying instead on 3 LEDs for visual feedback, which can sometimes be limiting. The included remote control, though functional, is considered by some users to feel surprisingly cheap for a product in this price category. The overall setup is straightforward, with most components connecting wirelessly, simplifying the installation process and contributing to a tidy living space. Audio performance is undoubtedly the most crucial aspect of any soundbar, and the LG S95TR presents itself as a robust system, capable of delivering a convincing sound experience. With a 9.1.5 channel configuration and a total power of 810 watts, this soundbar promises significant immersion, especially in the context of advanced audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. One of the most praised aspects of the S95TR's performance is dialogue clarity. Thanks to the up-firing center speaker, voices are reproduced with remarkable precision, ensuring that dialogues remain intelligible even amidst intense action scenes or at low volumes. This feature is essential for a pleasant viewing experience, eliminating the frustration of not understanding what characters are saying. The surround experience is another strong point. The two wireless surround speakers work effectively to create a sonic bubble, placing audio effects around the listener and providing an authentic sense of immersion. Sound appear to come from various directions, contributing to a realistic cinematic atmosphere, whether it's rain, gunshots, or ambient noises. On the other hand, while impressive at first glance, the performance of height effects, Dolby Atmos, generated by the 5 up-firing speakers, 3 in the soundbar and 1 in each surround speaker, receives mixed reviews. While they contribute to a taller and more expansive soundstage, some reviewers suggest that they do not reach the level of verticality and precision of other top-tier systems. Aerial effects may be present, but sometimes lack that distinct localization that truly makes you feel like a plane is flying overhead. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. The wireless subwoofer, with considerable power, delivers powerful and deep bass. This adds weight and impact to action scenes and soundtracks, enhancing the emotion of viewing. However, the bass can sometimes be vague or overpowering, lacking the fine definition and control that high-end systems can offer. At certain moments, it may slightly mask other details in the mid and high spectrum, requiring fine adjustments from the user to find the optimal balance. In general, the soundstage of the LG S95TR is described as wide and spacious, easily filling medium to large rooms. The sound does not appear limited to the physical location of the soundbar, but extends far beyond the TV's boundaries. However, some users have noted a slight lack of depth in certain situations, where sound effects are not always precisely placed in three-dimensional space. Also, there may be subtle tonal inconsistencies between the main soundbar and the surround speakers, meaning that sound transitions between channels are not always perfectly fluid. The AI room calibration function plays a crucial role in optimizing audio performance, adjusting the system's frequency response based on the specific acoustics of the room. This helps mitigate issues related to unwanted resonances or reflections, ensuring a more balanced and natural sound experience. Furthermore, WOW Orchestra, when connected to a compatible LG TV, contributes to an even wider and taller soundstage by simultaneously utilizing the soundbars and the TV speakers. In conclusion, the audio performance of the LG S95TR is, overall, solid and impressive for most users. Its excellence in dialogue clarity and surround immersion provides a dramatic improvement over TV speakers. While there might be room for improvement in bass finesse and the absolute precision of Atmos effects for demanding audiophiles, the overall package offered by the S95TR represents a powerful and captivating auditory experience. The LG S95TR is equipped with an impressive array of features, highlighting its advanced compatibility and audio power. The system offers a total power output of 810 watts and supports immersive audio formats such as Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. A notable innovation is the up-firing center speaker, designed to improve dialogue clarity and create a wider soundstage. Connectivity includes two HDMI ports, one with eARC, a USB port, and an optical digital input. It's important to note that while it supports 4K 120Hz pass-through and HDR10, the lack of variable refresh rate, VRR, and auto low latency mode, LLM, support on both HDMI 2.1 ports can be a drawback for enthusiastic gamers compared to other top-tier soundbars. However, it does offer a pro game mode that reduces audio latency to approximately 60 milliseconds via HDMI. Integration with LG TVs is a major strong point, thanks to features like WOW Orchestra and WOWcast. WOW Orchestra allows the soundbar to work in harmony with LG TV speakers for an extended soundstage and enhanced immersion, while WOWcast provides a wireless connection between the TV and soundbar, eliminating unsightly cables without compromising audio quality. Room calibration is handled by AI Room Calibration, which optimizes sound output based on the acoustics of the space. Wireless connectivity is ensured through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, AirPlay 2, and Chromecast, offering flexibility for audio streaming. It also supports integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. The LG S95TR soundbar is a solid and high-performing solution for transforming your home audio experience. It's an excellent choice, especially for LG OLED TV owners, thanks to its seamless integration and features like WOW Orchestra and WOWcast. Its ability to deliver immersive sound, clear dialogue, and ease of use make it a significant upgrade from TV speakers. However, for its premium price, there are certain areas where it could excel more, such as the performance of its height effects and bass control. Competitors, particularly models like the Samsung HW Q990D, might offer a superior three-dimensional audio experience and more refined bass at a similar or even lower price. In conclusion, the LG S95TR is a competent soundbar that delivers a captivating home cinema experience, especially if you're already an LG ecosystem user. If you're looking for a complete and user-friendly solution to enhance your TV sound, the LG S95TR is worth considering. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my two next videos. See you soon.